Hello, Team Kaibigang Oso. So, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa Alabang Town Center. At napakaganda dito sa kanilang open area. Very fresh yung air. At feel na feel mo din ang kasiyahan ng mga bata dito. At ito nga, habang tayo ay naghihintay, ay pag-usapan muna natin another chess term that we can actually relate to life is what we call as battery. Battery is that opportunity wherein magkasama yung dalawang pyesa at nagtutulungan sila. No? So, for example, a queen and a bishop together or dalawang rook together at kapag ganun ang nangyayari, mas malakas yung kanilang power. Mas mabilis nilang ma-aatake yung kalaban. So, same thing, no? Sa buhay natin, it's good also that hindi naman natin aatakihin yung kalaban natin, diba? Hindi ganun. Parang, the point is, it's best if you have someone with you because no man is an island, diba? At always, it's always good to have someone who share the same passion, the same energy, the same goal, diba, with you, and together you work together for the common goal, diba? Sabi nga, a boat is like really will sail all together kapag iisa lang ang sagwan. All together, sama-sama kayo. So yun na lang muna mga kaibigang Oso, and mag-hello muna tayo, Coach Ferdy, Teacher Lucy, Teacher Ferdy! Bye!